In this video, we are going to demonstrate how to post a comment and on a YouTube Shorts video and pin that comment. Okay, so as you know, the longer form videos come in this section. The shorter form videos go and sit in the Shorts section. So let us say this is the video in which we want to pin a comment. So first what we have to do is that we have to go and check whether the comments have been enabled. So in order to do so, you have to scroll down to the comment section in the video, and over here you can see comments is switched off. So obviously if the comments is switched off, you will not be able to post any comment. So first thing you have to do is switch it on. So you switch on the comments. Sometimes YouTube leaves this as off default, so you have to come and switch it on. Okay, so now let's say that part is done. Then the other is the same like how you do for the longer form videos. Let's say you go to YouTube. This is the video where you want to pin your comment. So you click the three dots here. In that you come to, no, you don't even have to go here actually. You go straight here to the comments, click comments, and you paste your comment here, and then go to these three dots and you say pin comment, and then you can also like it. That's it. So that's how you can pin a comment on a YouTube Shorts video.